For those of you that have ordered my book, thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you for supporting my work. I just got a notice that shipments should be on your way, and I hope you enjoy my book. But here's a poem. That's what we're here for. Xiuhkoatl! Xiuhkoatl! Time is an illusion, a heuristic invented by humans. Reality has no beginning, reality has no end. Xiuhkoatl is not the snake that eats its own tail. Xiuhkoatl is the turquoise serpent that confronts its own head. Xiuhkoatl, I have seen lightning that splits trees in half, the deafening sound of thunder that fertilizes the ground, but also takes the life of cows. Xiuhkoatl, your power cannot be contained because the illusion of power is human-made. On a side note, Xiuhkoatl can also mean cosmic rays. And that's the beauty of Nahuatl. I think, from my perspective, from my opinion, it could be used to describe even scientific processes. It's the same way that the whole educational system has adopted, the scientific community has adopted Greek to describe some scientific words. But what if, just imagine, all of you that know Nahuatl get together. And I'm not expert in the subject matter, but if you get together and start pushing it towards that direction, rather than just keeping it in the spiritual realm and then grounded into a scientific, is something useful that can be taught in schools. I don't know. I just imagine, I'm a dreamer, and I just imagine a world. Maybe happens after I'm gone from this earth, but in the future generations, gonna be able to use that indigenous language, like Nahuatl, to describe scientific discoveries, because it is useful to describe phenomena as well. Anyways, I let you go. Have a good day.